Welcome back, friends. In our previous video, we explored 6 lessons designed to help you effectively handle rejection in your daily life. In this video, we will explore 7 more lessons on how to handle rejection. If you haven't watched the first part, feel free to click the card above. Let's get started. Number 1. Build your social status. In a room where you might feel ignored, almost invisible, lies a hidden opportunity waiting to be discovered. Stoicism offers valuable insights on transforming such moments of rejection into catalysts for personal growth. Instead of seeking external validation, redirect your focus towards self-enhancement and community involvement. This isn't about ascending a social ladder. It's about ascending your own ladder of self-development. Engaging in activities like physical fitness, exploring hobbies, or advancing in your career goes beyond mere tasks. These are your tools for sculpting a stronger, more resilient self. Consider sharing your journey not for applause, but for connection. When discussing your interests or achievements, let it serve as a bridge to connect with others who resonate with your story. This isn't a strategy to accumulate followers. It's a genuine effort to find like-minded souls. Participating in volunteering or networking isn't just about adding lines to your resume. It's about weaving a tapestry of meaningful relationships. Rooted in Stoic philosophy, this approach intertwines personal growth with contributing to the greater good. When building your social status, intention is paramount. It's not a pursuit of popularity. It's a journey toward becoming a better version of yourself. Each step you take should be a step toward improvement, creating a ripple effect that enhances the community. This perspective shift is crucial. It's not about being seen. It's about witnessing your own growth and, in turn, contributing to the growth of others. This Stoic mindset serves as a powerful tool in navigating the modern world, turning the tide of rejection into a potent wave of positive transformation. Number 2. Be kind but emotionally distant. Even in the face of indifference, opt for a response steeped in kindness while safeguarding the fortress of your emotional well-being. This isn't about adopting a cold demeanor. It's a deliberate act to preserve your inner peace. When someone chooses to ignore you, the instinctual response might be one of hurt or frustration. However, the principles of Stoicism guide us to approach such moments not with emotional upheaval, but with a composed heart. Extend a genuine smile, offer a polite greeting, or wish them well, but do so without attaching expectations to your actions. Understand that maintaining emotional distance is not equivalent to constructing walls. It's a deliberate act of drawing lines. It involves acknowledging that while you have control over your actions, you cannot dictate how others will respond. This distance is not indicative of weakness. Rather, it signifies strength and self-respect. Choosing emotional detachment is a conscious decision to prevent someone else's actions from dictating your emotional equilibrium. By remaining kind yet detached, you communicate, "I choose not to let your indifference disrupt my balance." This approach goes beyond mere protection. It becomes a source of empowerment. The amalgamation of kindness and emotional detachment exemplifies the profound wisdom of Stoicism. It creates a delicate balance, allowing you to engage with grace while standing resolute in your emotional integrity. It becomes a manifestation of respect for both yourself and others, demonstrating maturity and a deep understanding. In navigating life's rejections, this approach ensures you traverse the terrain not burdened by bitterness or hurt, but equipped with an unwavering sense of inner tranquility and dignity. Number 3. Don't beg for attention. In the face of indifference, the Stoic approach isn't to seek attention desperately. It's a reminder to anchor yourself in your own self-worth and independence. When someone chooses to ignore you, it's not an invitation to amplify your actions for their acknowledgement. Instead, it's a moment to turn inward and affirm your intrinsic value. Stoicism emphasizes that our self-esteem should remain steady, unaffected by the sway of others' attention. This philosophy encourages a steadfast self-regard, acknowledging that your worth is non-negotiable. Engage in your passions and pursuits with a sense of self-sufficiency. The goal isn't to showcase your value for others to recognize what they're missing. It's about recognizing for yourself the unique contributions you bring to the table. Immerse yourself in activities that bring fulfillment, connect with those who appreciate you, and craft a life that brings you pride. This is an active, vibrant embrace of your own life, not a passive act. The focus is on active involvement in your personal growth and happiness to the extent that the need for external validation diminishes into irrelevance. Rather than pursuing fleeting attention, invest in your own development. Construct a life that brings contentment independently of others' perceptions. Let your confidence and self-assurance naturally emanate from your personal achievements, not as a performance for an audience. This stoic approach transcends mere coping with rejection. It involves rising above it by concentrating on what genuinely matters, your journey of growth and fulfillment. Transform rejection into an opportunity to fortify your resilience and deepen your understanding of self-worth. Number 4. Give them the silent treatment. Silence in response to indifference isn't a tactic to gain the upper hand. It's a commitment to maintaining your dignity. Stoicism guides us to view silence not as a tool for manipulation, but as a means for self-reflection and emotional mastery. When faced with being ignored, choosing silence is an intentional period of introspection, an opportunity to understand your feelings, sift through your thoughts, and attain clarity. The purpose isn't to punish the other person, but to safeguard your inner peace. Within this silence lies a profound chance for personal growth. It's not about closing yourself off, it's about opening up to self-discovery. Stoicism encourages using such moments to reflect on your virtues, values, and how you wish to engage with the world. It's an occasion to question why a situation bothers you, what lessons can be drawn, and how you can evolve. This form of silence is constructive, offering a moment to fortify your character and align your responses with your principles. Therefore, if you opt for silence, let it be a conscious decision rooted in self-care and wisdom. It signifies choosing not to engage in behaviors beneath your character, such as manipulation, revenge, or pettiness. Instead, it involves embracing Stoicism's emphasis on temperance and self-control. By refraining from responding, you're not merely disregarding someone else, you're actively listening to yourself. It's a practice in maintaining composure, focusing on your personal journey, and embodying the Stoic ideal of serenity in the face of adversity. Number 5. Act like they don't exist. When confronted with someone who chooses to ignore you, consider that sometimes the most powerful response is one of quiet strength. This isn't about being petty or cold, it's about prioritizing your inner peace. If someone decides to overlook you, allow them to do so without expending unnecessary energy trying to grab their attention or initiate a conversation. Instead, shift your focus in social settings, perhaps towards individuals who appreciate your company, and engage in meaningful conversations there. It's crucial to understand that your worth isn't contingent upon someone else's acknowledgement. In situations where you unavoidably interact with this person, maintain professionalism. Keep your conversations brief, concise, and steer clear of personal topics. This isn't a tactic to outshine them, but a way of affirming your own presence. By adhering to a strictly business approach, you create a boundary that minimizes the potential for unnecessary drama. This strategy allows you to stay centered on what truly matters, keeping you grounded and unfazed by indifference. If the disregard persists, consider the strength in walking away. This isn't admitting defeat, it's a strategic retreat. It involves recognizing that your energy is more effectively invested elsewhere, in relationships and pursuits that bring you joy and personal growth. Opting out of a one-sided struggle isn't just about moving beyond a person, it's a deliberate choice to move towards better opportunities, healthier interactions, and a more serene state of mind. Your response to indifference isn't a sign of defeat, it's a demonstration of your resilience and self-respect. Number 6. Go out and have fun. The true essence of life emerges when we venture beyond our comfort zones. Embracing joy isn't merely about seeking enjoyment, it's a strategic decision to foster resilience. When confronted with rejection, the common response is to retreat, dwelling in the bitterness of the experience. However, here's a twist. Counter that instinct by actively pursuing joy. This isn't about dismissing your emotions, it's about providing them with a new outlet. Whether it's exploring a new hobby or revisiting a past passion, the action itself becomes a declaration of resistance against the weight of rejection. Humans are inherently social beings, and there's profound power in shared experiences. In your quest to leverage rejection, acknowledge the significance of your community. Invite friends for a hike, participate in a communal art project, or simply share a meal. These moments of connection go beyond uplifting your spirits. They reaffirm your role in the tapestry of human interaction. Each shared laugh, each exchanged story subtly reminds you that you are more than the sum of your setbacks. You're a part of a broader narrative, one that thrives on connection and shared resilience. Here's where the real magic unfolds. Step into the unknown. Rejection may feel like a closed door, but in reality, it opens many more. Try a cuisine you've never tasted, explore a neighborhood you've never ventured into, or attend a workshop on a topic unfamiliar to you. These experiences aren't mere distractions. They are opportunities for growth. Each new encounter adds layers to your character, rendering you more adaptable, empathetic, and better equipped to handle life's unexpected turns. Remember, the objective isn't to erase the memory of rejection, but to evolve from it, transforming every no into a stepping stone towards a more enriching, vibrant life. Number 7. Don't reveal your struggles. When faced with being ignored, the urge to showcase your struggles can be compelling. However, Stoicism imparts the wisdom of maintaining composure. It's not about pretending everything is flawless. It's a lesson in internal resilience. Demonstrating that you remain unaffected is no act. It's a genuine reflection of deep-seated inner stability. Continue navigating through life with the same enthusiasm and determination as before. This isn't a performance for the benefit of others. It serves as a profound testament to your personal strength. This approach doesn't involve denying your feelings. Rather, it encourages acknowledgement without letting them take control of your ship. Allow calmness and self-assurance to steer your course. The emphasis lies on managing what you can control, your actions, responses, and demeanor. By persisting in your journey with confidence, you're not merely showcasing strength to others, you're reinforcing it within yourself. It's a subtle yet powerful assertion that your self-worth is independent of external opinions or actions. In essence, by not laying bare your struggles, you embrace the Stoic philosophy of emotional resilience. It's not about concealing emotions. It's about handling them in a manner that upholds your dignity and self-respect. This approach becomes a demonstration of wisdom and integrity, signifying that you are firmly grounded in your character, impervious to external sway. Having traversed together through the nuances of reverse psychology, uncovering 13 potent lessons on transforming rejection into a tool for success, I now challenge you to integrate these insights into your daily life. Embrace rejection not as a setback, but as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. I'm eager to hear your stories of triumph, whether it's victories or struggles. If words elude you, simply type "strength in adversity" to signify that you've emerged victorious. Thank you for joining me on this philosophical exploration. Remember, the key to a Stoic life is not just in knowing, but in doing. Seize the day, stay resilient, and may your path be filled with wisdom and virtue. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with those who may benefit from the timeless wisdom of Stoicism. Until next time, stay stoic, stay strong.